So the other night, we woke up with rainwater leaking on us from our MaxxAir Fan. And for context, we just got done with a bunch of ski trips and traveled back down to Arkansas where we have a house. And it's basically summer down here, so we have summer storms, we have crazy weather happening, and it's about to get stormy again in the next couple of days. So we need a quick fix for this. We don't have time to get the exact right product, which I will post here and link down below. But we're going to do our best to get something functional at least for the next couple days, as we're going to be traveling to Denver in about 48 hours from now. So we just need something quick to hold this together until we can get the real fix done. But the process is basically going to be the same for either product. It's just a different tube of silicone for the top. So let's get started. All right, most difficult part of this project, getting on top of the van. We don't have a ladder, so this becomes a little interesting. So this is the caulking we actually have, which is not really designed for this. You need a special RV caulking that you can get on Amazon. I'll link it below, like I said before. But we're gonna get started with this stuff and hopefully it works. First things first, clip the tip. Caulk gun always has a little tip clipper usually. Boom, ready to go. Then we need to puncture the inside of the canister. This is just too much fun. And we're ready to go. All right, like I said, there's some cracks and just some warping around the caulking on here. So we are gonna put this stuff on and hopefully get a little bit of extra protection until we can get the actual caulking that we need to use. All right, and we are done. Got the caulking all the way around the MaxxAir Fan, and this is gonna take about 2 hours to set up and dry. And hopefully on our drive out to Colorado, which is in a couple days, this will hold up and we can have time to do a more permanent fix. But this is just a quick and easy way to fix your MaxxAir Fan if it starts leaking. This is not pretty, it's not super well done. We're gonna save that for when we actually have time to get the right product, but hopefully this works for us. And we will follow up the next time it's raining and let you know how it does. So we just got our first rainstorm since doing the fix, and it held up perfectly. We had a ton of rain, a ton of lightning, and it's all going well. So fix worked, but we still have more to do.